Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if this is the first video of mine that you're catching, welcome. My name is Rachel and I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I love ordering online liquidation, customer returns, and I sell them online for a profit. Every time I get a new box in, I come on this channel, I unbox it live, and I come back 90 days later or sometime after 90 days later, and I give you my actual results based on what I was able to sell, and I'll give you my recommendation if I would buy another box based on the results of this one. So today we are doing the update on the Everlane box from Boutique by the Box. So if you want to see how I did with this one, definitely stick around. So this box is actually, I listed majority of this box at the end of January. I'm a little bit behind on the 90-day updates. And if I'm being honest, I really kind of stalled on this one because I've done so well with Everlane that I've ordered elsewhere that I wanted so bad for this one to be really, really great. I can't hold out anymore. I have to just go ahead and share my results with you. So that's what we're going to do today. If you like content like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Every time I do an unboxing, I do a 90-day update to follow. And I do lots of other reseller content, tips and tricks and things like that. And hit that like button if you could. That really does help the channel as well. And it lets me know you like content like this. All right, so I purchased this box. It was a 40-piece new with tag Everlane box from Boutique by the Box. I purchased this back in December. I had it all listed by the end of January. This box was $360 or $9 per piece. I did have 40 out of 40 were listable items, so that was perfect. As of right now today, I have sold 14 items from this box, and I have 26 remaining. So you can probably already tell by what I've shared with you so far how this is going to go. But you'll have to leave me a comment down below if you ordered this box. Let me know how it went for you. I'm definitely interested to know if I'm the only one in this boat. On the original video, when I unboxed this, I will link that down below. Some of you had commented saying that like some liquidation site had this same styles and stuff like available for a long time and they weren't selling, and then they either went out of business or something. I don't know. It was some site I had never heard of. I wasn't familiar with. But y'all had kind of warned me that this was going to be a dumpster fire based on like you knew that it had been listed somewhere else and wasn't selling. So unfortunately, I automatically was like, oh crap, what did I even do here? But I decided to give it a fair shot. I really, really wanted it to work out. But here's what I've sold. So I'll show you what I sold, and then I'll go over what I have left. And at the very end, I'll give you my recommendation if I would buy this box again. So what sold? Now, keep in mind, I paid $9 per piece for this box. First sale was a Kitizen sale. This was a cotton organic boxy top in a size large. And I don't remember what the actual sale price was, but I do free shipping on Kitizen. So my sale price after the shipping was taken out was $7.15. I paid $9 per piece. So that actually I sold at a loss, but it was a plain, just cotton t-shirt. So I didn't expect to sell for very high, and actually I did Kitizen's Kid Economy during this time. This one actually sold pretty quickly after I listed it. It was only listed like a week. And it was my one and only Kid Economy sale. I did a lot of work participating in Kid Economy, and this was the one sale that I made the entire time. I spent a lot of money and I made one sale. I guess that's how it goes, right? Unfortunately. Then there was the mint cotton button-down shirt. This was an $8 eBay sale. This one had already been listed over 90 days, and someone offered me $8, and I was like, yeah, at this point, like, I want to make my update video. Let's have something to report at least. So I went ahead and sold that one for $8 plus shipping. Then there was the organic cotton short sleeve cropped yellow striped shirt in a size large. And this one sold for $9 on Poshmark. This one was only listed 2 weeks, but again, it was a plain t-shirt. Somebody offered me $9. I was going to take it. Like, it's a t-shirt. It doesn't retail for very high. I can't expect, you know, more than that. Here's another mint cotton button down. Now I had really good luck selling these silky relaxed cotton button down shirts in other colors and styles, but for whatever reason, these green ones were having a hard time. This one was a size 4 and it sold on Mercari in about 5 weeks for $11. This was before Mercari switched to 0 seller fees, so I did pay the fees on that one. Then the next two, I think, are the same shirt. This was the organic cotton crop yellow stripe shirt, and this was, my takeaway was $11.55 on Kitizen after the shipping. This one sold in about 2 weeks, and then the second one sold on eBay. This one was a $12 sale plus the shipping, and that one sold the next day after the first one sold. So something about those shirts was okay. I didn't get a lot of money. They certainly were not worth $9 a piece, but they did sell quickly, so I will give them that. Then there was the wool crop tank in gray. I got multiple of these. You will see most of these on the unsold list, unfortunately. They're nice, I guess. They're like 100% wool. But this one sold for $12.24 in a bundle with some other items, and it took 4 months to sell. Then there was the cotton boxy top in yellow green, size large. Again, this one sold quickly on Poshmark, but it was a $12.50 sale as part of a bundle. So again, once you guys told me that this was like crap, basically, from some crazy liquidation site that was liquidating their liquidation, I don't know. I kind of was just like hot potato, get rid of what you can, right? So a lot of this stuff, I was like, whatever, someone's making me an offer, someone's putting it in a bundle. I'm cool with selling it dirt cheap. So that's kind of what happened here. Then here's another one of the wool crop tank tops. This one was the camel, like the tan color. This one sold in about 3 weeks on eBay for $13 only though. So there's that. Here's another one of the mint cotton button-down shirts. This one sold in about 3 weeks on Poshmark in a bundle for $14.60. There were the Perform ankle soft leggings in green. These sold in like 3 days on eBay for $15. So the stuff that did sell, most of what did sell sold pretty quickly. I will give it that. That's, you know, that's cool. We're already at the top 3 though. Third highest sale, the organic cotton crop yellow striped shirt. This one was a 3X, size 3X. This one took a month, $15 Poshmark sale. Then there was the organic cotton seamless leggings in light purple. These were a $15 Poshmark sale. These took about 2 months. And the highest selling item in the box took 3 months to sell. I got a whopping $15.93 for this polo short sleeve dress, the purple one. It was a size small. Y'all, the highest selling item in this box sold for $15.93. Okay. It's almost laughable. If you don't laugh, you might cry. So that is what sold. What is left out of this box? Literally everything else. There were lots of duplicates of the stuff we went over already. I don't have any more of those yellow t-shirts, which apparently were the hot item in this box. Who knew? But here's what's left. I've got lots of the wool crop tank tops. There's a few size small, at least 3 I can see on the list here just looking. I've got the tan ones also in a size small. I've got a gray one and a medium. Oh my gosh, so many. Lots of the seamless leggings and seamless bike shorts in green and purple. I was thinking maybe like springtimey colors, but no, those are all still sitting here. There is the cotton PJ top in stone blue. That's still here. The cotton polo, the purple striped polo, that's still here. There was that tan and white polo dress. That's still here. Oh, I do still have one of the yellow striped shirts. That's in a extra small. That's still here. I've got the flannel button downs. There was a men's flannel button down and 2 women's flannel button downs. Those are still here as well. duplicates of all these items. I've got more of the green, the button down, the silky button down shirts. It's all still here. There's 26 pieces still here. So, yeah, shameless plug, if any of this stuff interests you, please head over to my Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, make me an offer. I will accept it. Make a bundle, please. Take it. I need to move this stuff. So, long story short, on this box, I'm not going to let this box take up too much more of my life. So we will leave it at that. But to recap, this one was $360. And as of right now, I have made $159. So I'm not even close to breaking even on this box after nearly 5 months. Was this a good box? No. Which is so sad because I've ordered probably thousands of pieces of Everlane from a different company. I'm sure y'all know who I'm talking about. And it's all done so fairly well. So when Boutique by the Box dropped Everlane, I was so excited. It is clearly not the same Everlane. Like you guys told me, it was like some liquidation styles that weren't selling on some other site. And then on top of that, I think all of us got the same stuff. So this is what happened, unfortunately. I started my rating system with boxes. I was going to rate the results only starting on the boxes that I rated the initial unboxing, but this would be a true example of a dumpster fire. This is a total dumpster fire box. I love Boutique by the Box. Majority of their boxes I make great profit on. I have great results. You guys can check out my playlist. I'll link it here. I've sold so many great things from Boutique by the Box, and this one completely missed the mark. I totally got blinded by the brand. I didn't think to consider the styles or where it came from. Everlane sells for me, so I bought an Everlane box. Totally logical, but this one was not it, unfortunately. No, I would not buy this box again, and quite frankly, if Boutique by the Box offered Everlane in any capacity again, I'm probably going to pass because I don't know where it's coming from, and I don't know that it's any good. I will stick with their other boxes. Their J. Crew Madewell, of course, have done the best for me just as of lately, but this one totally missed the mark, unfortunately. But that's it for today. Please let me know down below if you have ordered this box. How are you doing? If you have had success, what have you done to move this stuff? Please let me know if there's any hope of even getting my money back. Please, somebody tell me there is, because unfortunately, this one was a sad, sad deal. Make sure you subscribe if you like videos like this. I love sharing these updates. Hopefully it helps you make decisions about your reseller business, of things to buy or not. And hit that like button on the way out. That definitely helps out the channel as well. That's it for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.